Attenborough's pitcher plant, nature's most metal plant. Welcome to the jungle, folks. Not the urban jungle, not the metaphorical jungle of life, but the actual, literal jungle, where plants don't just sit around photosynthesizing like lazy couch potatoes. Some plants have a taste for blood. Okay, so maybe not blood exactly, but today we're talking about Nepenthes attenboroughii, Attenborough's pitcher plant, possibly the most metal plant on the planet. It's big, it's bad, and it eats rats. Yes, rats. Let that sink in while I scream internally. Discovered in 2009 on Mount Victoria in the Philippines, this plant was named after Sir David Attenborough, the legendary natural historian who's basically the rock star of nature documentaries. And what better way to honor him than with a murderous plant that can grow pitchers the size of a wine bottle? Most pitcher plants catch insects, but Attenborough's pitcher plant said, "Hold my chlorophyll," and decided to go bigger. Much bigger. These carnivorous bad boys can trap and digest small mammals and lizards. Imagine being a rat, just living your best rat life, and then, plop, you're taking a bath in digestive enzymes. Talk about a bad day. But how does this botanical beast work? First, the plant produces sweet nectar along its rim, or what scientists call the peristome. It's nature's version of free candy, written on the side of a suspicious van. Animals climb up for a taste, slip on the waxy surface, and tumble into a pool of digestive fluid. The inside walls are slippery with a special coating, so there's no climbing out once you're in. It's basically a microscopic water slide that ends in stomach acid. Fun for the plant, less fun for literally everyone else. Now you might be thinking, why would a plant evolve to eat animals? Isn't that like against the natural order? Well, Mount Victoria has nutrient-poor soil, so these plants supplement their diet by becoming carnivores. It's like if you lived in a food desert, so you learned to catch and eat squirrels. Resourceful? Yes. Disturbing? Also yes. Here are 5 absolutely wild facts about this plant that sound made up but are 100% true. The pitchers can hold up to 2 liters of fluid. That's enough to drown a small mammal, or make a very disturbing smoothie. The largest specimens have been found at elevations above 1,600 meters, because apparently murderous plants enjoy mountain views too. They're critically endangered. Yes, the plant that eats rats needs our protection. Irony. The digestive fluid contains enzymes similar to those in your stomach. Plant stomachs, nightmare fuel. These plants can live for decades, which means they've potentially eaten hundreds of animals in their lifetime. Serial killers of the plant world. Isn't it fascinating how we name deadly plants after beloved humans? Sir David Attenborough has spent his life teaching us about the wonders of nature, and nature thanked him by naming a rat-eating death trap after him. I can't decide if that's the highest honor or a subtle insult. Just imagine if plants named things after us. Would you want to be the namesake of something that drowns its victims in digestive juices? Actually, don't answer that. I don't want to know what kind of audience I've attracted. In all seriousness, Attenborough's pitcher plant represents something amazing about our world. Just when we think we've discovered everything, nature surprises us with a flesh-eating plant the size of a toilet bowl. This species was only discovered in 2009. What else is out there waiting to be found? Waiting. So next time you're complaining about being hungry, just remember, you could be a carnivorous plant, waiting days for a clueless rodent to fall into your digestive juices. Perspective, people. If you enjoyed learning about nature's most metal plant, smash that like button, subscribe for more bizarre biology, and let me know in the comments what terrifying plant or animal you want me to cover next. No rats were harmed in the making of this video. They were all CGI. Probably.